Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Truth Politics and Jamavati. Panchayati Raj finances in the India in signed form RBI's report 2024 discuss the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 institutionalized the Panchayati Raj system as the third tier of governance, ensuring deescalations and participatory democracy mandated under Article 243. Panchayati Raj operate as a local self-government under the state list with 2.62 lakhs PRI and 2.55 lakh Gram Panchayats and 6,707 Mandal Panchayat, 65 Jila Panchayat as of October 2023 MOPR. They form bedrock of grassroots governance. The RBI's 2024 report Finance of Panchayati Raj Institutions 2020 and 21 to 22 to 23 re-emphasize their centrally but highlights serious physical and functional challenges, especially financial autonomy and transparency gave. George Mathew notes that PRIs are not merely instruments of services delivery but political institutions of self-rule, and hence their financial empowerment is crucial for democratic deepening. Source of finance over own revenue. Tax revenue, property tax on land, building, service tax, professional tax, duties on commodities, non-tax revenues, market fees, cattle, registration fees, barter charge, user charge. Central Finance Commission's CFC grants grew from 4,381 crore 10th CFC 2.37 lakh crore rupees 15th CFC's 2021 to 2026. State Finance Commission's SFC transfers meant to develop state tax and duties to PRIs types, tied grant, specific sector like sanitation's United Grants, general purposes, performance-based grant, special categories grants, other source, funds from centrally sponsored schemes, Manrega, PMAY, NRLM, SAGY, external support from World Bank and international agencies, government initiatives and strengthening PRIs, E-Gram Swaraj, Financial Management System, EGS, PFMS, a digital platform that provides simplified work-based accounting for panchayats, aims to prove financial transparency, boost creativity, and encourage greater physical devolutions of PRIs. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan RGSA, a recently sponsored schemes to build capacities of PRIs, integrates interventions of the PR, and other sector with emphasis on participatory local planning at the Gram Panchayat level. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana SAGY launched in 2014 to promote model village. MPs are expected to adopt village for holistic development 3GPs by 2019, more by 2025, covering infrastructure, livelihood, and spatial development. Localizations of LSDs. PRIs are being leveraged to achieve SDGs by 2030 throughout 9 thematic areas such as poverty reductions, healthy village, clean and green panchayats, gender empowerment and good governance. Panchayat Development Index PDI, designed as a tool on LDGs, help generate evidence-based assessment for policy formulations and targeted interventions. Gram Urja Swaraj Abhiyan, the jointly run by MOPR, Ministry of New Renewable Energy, focuses on mainstreaming renewable energy in rural areas so that panchayats become self-sufficient and energy producers rather than more consumers. National Panchayat Raj Day NPDR NPRD observed on April, making the passage of the 73rd Amendment. The 2023 themes पंचायतों के संकल्पों की सिद्धि का उत्सव underlined the whole of government and whole of society's approach to rural transformations. Key findings of RBI's 2024 reports: overdevelopment on transfer. 95% of PRI's revenues come from 1% of GDP, reflecting weak physical autonomy. Weak on renewable base, property tax under utilized, collections efficiency 56%, limited tax base, shortage of trained staff and reduce and reluctance to levy new changes. Transparency of and data gaps. PRI budget data fragmented across states, poor coverage of audit reports generated for only 46% of Gram Panchayat 2019 and 20. RBI stresses integrating PRI financing into India's general government statistics and as part of the G20 data gaps digital initiatives for transparency. eSwaraj 2020 simplified accounting, budgeting, PFMS linked payment, audit online, 2.1 lakh audit reports generated financial year 2021 to 22. PFMS interference by September 2023, 2.3 lakh PRI mode online payment, 37% staff vacancies, limited authority over requirement in many states. चलो करते हैं।